Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 26 of building the Batmobile from 1966. Yes, let's have a look. We shall look at Season 1, Episode 26. Batman Sets the Pace. This was broadcast on April the 7th, 1966, with the Joker, obviously, as you can tell by the picture down there. So let's, so Kapow is the one where Batman figures out the Joker's devilish plot. I think that's pretty much most of them with the Batman and the Joker in them, but there we go. Son of the devil, son of the demon, even. Demon, that was, that not Ra's al Ghul, that's someone different. Look through that. I've been watching the Dark Knight trilogy again, not the 1966 Batman. Batman, but not really this Batman. Very good. Detective Comics, obviously, where he started off, year by year. World's finest. Know who they are? Some sort of psychic something or other. Yeah. So we are continuing the car parts. We're continuing with the chassis, building that out a little bit. Interesting with this, it's just a framework rather than there being panels, which all the other cars I think I've built have been panels. So we've got this to stretch out the frame and then attach it to the whole thing that we've got on there, making it look like that and making it even harder to find somewhere to keep it. So yeah, let's get that done. So only two parts, but they're big heavy metal parts. One pack of screws, of which we're going to be using two pairs. The other screws I've got here I will keep aside in my Batman box for later use. So we've got our two pieces here which fit together thusly. Two of these screws, we'll go through that bit to hold these together. Like that. And the other one next to it, do the same thing. Go. Now, as ever with all of these parts, and especially the frame parts, make sure the screws are done up tight. You might not be able to get back to them again in the future once things are attached together, and you don't want the frame to be flexing and bending the wrong way. Always make sure they're as secure as you can get them. There we go, that's no give there, so I'm happy with that. This then needs to fit onto this, and it goes on in a couple of places. It goes underneath there and there. So that's what we've got these other two screws for. One through here. Bit like that. And the other one at the front here, just behind this front wheel. Going in there like that. So once again, tighten them up, make sure everything's nice and secure. So we've got now the engine all done and assembled, two wheels on it, and we're stretching out the back of the chassis to make that, could be the full length. It's going to be quite long. It's longer than my bench. It just about fits on there. So this is going to be another one that's going to be a bit of a problem. It's a big American car, isn't it? So yeah. So that's that. Another issue done. I do like how it's coming together. It's starting to get a bit of shaping to it now. So it's sort of coming in. So obviously we've got more wheels to go on there at some point. Level it up. And I like the parts with the body panels. I'm waiting for that. So thanks for watching. Join me soon for more of this, and I shall see you for other part works in the future. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.